Hamlin's injury has renewed questions about safety in youth sports. This is Alex Dennis joins us now with a program that is part of a book of play, really, for parents here in Middle Tennessee.
Absolutely, Bob. You know, when a young athlete steps on the field, parents want to know that their child is safe. A statewide grading system makes it easy for people to distinguish between athletic programs that go above and beyond. The Safe Stars Initiative, in partnership with the Tennessee Department of Health, recognizes youth sports leagues that provide the highest level of safety for young athletes.
When it comes to high school sports, college sports, pro sports, there's a lot of structure involved, and there's a lot of rules, and there's all these regulatory bodies. But in youth sports, there isn't. It's a bit of the wild, wild west.
Dr. Alex Diamond is the Director for Injury Prevention in Youth Sports at Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital at Vanderbilt, and also a co-founder for Safe Stars. He notes 4 conditions make up 90% of deaths in young athletes.
75% of sudden death in sport is cardiac related. Second is heat injury. Third is head injuries like concussion, neck injuries. And the fourth and very small percentage is sickle cell disease.
Simple preventative steps can save lives, which is why the free Safe Stars program aims to enhance safety standards not just in youth football and basketball, but also activities like cheer, gymnastics, and karate. Safe Stars grades programs on emergency action plans, presence of an AED, and CPR certified coaches to concussion and sudden cardiac arrest recognition training, just to name a few. Based on the number of safety measures met, the organization will receive a bronze, silver, or gold award. Currently, 45 programs in the state meet the gold standard.
I would say the Rutherford County schools have really been examples, as well as the Rutherford County Murfreesboro Parks and Rec system is also a gold level.
The athletic director at Siegel High School speaks from experience.
I had a kid with a traumatic brain injury when I was coaching football, a kid named Baylor Bramble, and he really in our county that accident, that injury really got our county thinking about safety with our kids. And we really started to focus on how we were going to handle incidents like that, cardiac arrest like everybody saw on Monday Night Football. And it's tragic that those types of things have to happen for people to really get this back in the forefront again, but they do.
And with the renewed attention, Coach urges all sports programs to prepare for the worst. Dr. Diamond agrees.
Be an advocate for your child. Don't be afraid to go to your league or to your school or to your group and say, hey, are y'all Safe Star certified? What are you doing in regards to sports safety? Again, not only be an advocate, but be part of the solution, offer to help, provide them those resources.
Well, starting this school year, it is mandatory for public school districts in Tennessee to be operating at the bronze level, the minimum level of safety, but it's voluntary for community organizations. So if you want to see how a certain program has been graded, we're going to have a link to the list on WKRN.com. All you have to do is click on this story. Bob and Haley.